Welcome back to my channel. So I have decided to do another custom piece of clothing. This is a simple one. I have an Adidas crewneck here, simple white with some screen printing on it. That's a label right there and has the same model on the back. Now, a fun fact about this video, I have filmed this literally 1 year ago, and I have decided to post it now because I'm not really in the mood to film. As you can probably tell, this is a voiceover. So I have decided to do some glow-in-the-dark stripes here. I'm going to pan down the camera, and what you need for this is just glow-in-the-dark paint. You need a brush, of course, and some tape. Let's pan this camera down. If you ever decide to do this, it's just a matter of setting the clothing piece on a flat surface. First thing I'm going to do is just a horizontal piece of tape right below the collar to have a starting point. I'm going to start with one piece of tape. I'm centering this based on that label which I have removed. I'm going to leave this in normal speed so you see what I'm doing if you ever decide to do this for some reason. And then I'm going to speed up the video, of course, for the stripes on the sleeve. Make sure the stripes are actually centered. So this is what I'm doing here. Alright, and now it's a matter of just removing the 3 stripes which I'm going to paint. I decided to start all 3 stripes to avoid running out of paint. Let me show you how this looks like after the first coat in the dark. Let's continue. I'm going to speed this up. I did about 2 or maybe 3 coats of paint on the stripes, and check it out again. That's about it. 2-3 coats. Let it dry, and now let me show you the stripes on the sleeve, which I'm going to speed up because it's basically the same process. Alright, so 2-3 coats of red paint on the sleeve there, and as I said, I have decided to make something on the other sleeve for a bit of symmetry, and check this out. Stripes over checks. That's what I like. You know already what this references, and I have decided to use the most basic font, the most easy to paint with a thin brush. Check it out, this fits well, a bit short, but you might want to show off your bleach dyed t-shirt a bit. you know, that's pretty much the end of the video. Really quick, short. I really like the way this turned out. Please subscribe and I'll see you next time.